Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to search a word from Google Doc. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To search a word from Google Doc, go to Google Doc and open the document. Now I am going to search some words from my doc, and for example I want to search this one, options. Okay, now in your keyboard press Ctrl and F. You will find that document. I am typing here option. Look, the option is selected here. Now I am going to select diam. Look, diam is selected here. If you have another word diam, just enter. Look, another diam, again enter, another diam, again enter, another diam, again enter, another one, another one, another one, and another one, and another one. It found 8 diam in my document. This is the easiest way to find a word from Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.